Hey everybody, Robert here with Heartland Rogue again, and today we get to take a Sawzall to the Jeep. Alright, so last time we were out on the trail, we got some rub rash. Third time on the trail, I guess third time's a charm because we hadn't gotten a scratch on it before. But I think we also are starting to get a little more brave, doing a little bit more challenging rock climbing, rock crawling. And so this time we rubbed the tree. As you can see, got a little rash here on these painted fender flares, and then we also dented up the front bumper pretty good. I got a big dent, and it's really actually kind of funny. We have no idea where it happened or where it came from. We didn't notice it from the morning session when we stopped for lunch. We never noticed it. I took a bunch of pictures during lunch, and some of the pictures I was going through, I couldn't tell the bumper. I didn't really take any pictures of the front of the bumpers, so couldn't really tell them. So we don't know if it happened in the morning, but in the afternoon, all of a sudden, walking back to the Jeep after some filming of one of the obstacles, we noticed that, oh look, the front bumper, the plastic stock bumper, is completely smashed in. So somewhere we either hit a tree, we hit one of the rocks trying to crawl up, or something. We're really not sure. So the stock bumper is going to get replaced. We're going to put a steel bumper on. That's the goal. Really like the new Spyder bruiser bumpers with the inlay of the winch. It's really cool, really slick, to really kind of hide that winch, allow airflow through. But that's a little bit further down the road for us. So we don't want to drive around for now with a big dented front bumper. And then also we're going to be going out on the trails again in the next few weeks. So we're wanting something that we can kind of get a little bit more clearance in the front of the Jeep. So one of the guys in our club mentioned doing Stubby front bumper replacement. They're actually caps. So let's take a look at them. All right, here we have it, guys. We have the Stubby bumper end caps. I got these for I think $65 on Amazon. They shipped them. They were here the next day. You know how Amazon shipping is. If you have Prime, it's fantastic. And we're gonna get to Sawzall the Jeep. We're gonna get to take the Sawzall to the front bumper and actually cut the old stock bumper ends off. Their picture here shows basically the exact same thing we did. So we're going to be removing the end pieces of the front bumper, the plastic pieces, and putting these on. These do feel a little bit sturdier than the stock bumper. Not really sure. We can do a comparison picture when we had the other ones off. But we're simply just going to tape around about 3 inches from the center, or from the edge of the front bumper. Drill holes, and then they send these things. There's 5 of these that go in each end cap. So we got a drill with a 1/4 or a quarter inch drill bit. We've got our Sawzall with a metal saw on the end to cut through metal, just in case we do hit the metal of the bumper. And we're gonna get these installed, so looking really forward to it. All right, guys, so there's the damage. So what we did, it's not 100% terrible, but they're in the way anyways. We want to get rid of them. All right, so the instructions say you don't have to be super precise here. You're just going from this center, or this end indentation, measure straight out 3.5 inches. We're gonna do that all the way around. And then I'm going to double check. Yep, so 3.5. We're at 3.5 inches. Now I'm just going to take some tape. I feel like I have every tool in the world, but when it comes to tape, this is all I could find. I actually got this out of my recovery box. So, good old duct tape. And then we're just going to match up the lines. So that's it, and I'm just going to grab the Sawzall and cut this off. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Alright guys, so we got the two end caps off, the plastic pieces and the metal. It was a little bit more challenging than I thought. The Sawzall went through 2.5 blades and an entire full battery, but we're cutting through metal, so what can you expect? But this is how much we're taking off, so it's gonna look a lot different. And realized, check out that stuff, some mud left over. Just literally take this, hook it on the bottom, boom, it's done. Now you can't clean this up. I'm not going to. Maybe on the other end I didn't do as good of a job, but I'm not going to clean it up. We're going to be replacing this whole bumper probably in a month or two, so we'll just slide that on. It's in place. holes and put in the holder pins to keep it in place. All right, so I got my 1/4-inch drill bit. Just gonna drill through each one of these holes and then put in the holder. Alright, we're going to do the other side, clean it up. We'll be good to go. Alright everybody, we're done. We got the Stubby end caps on, the stock bumper. We're getting a lot more clearance out of the front and super excited with to see if we notice any difference on the trail. Hey guys, we really enjoyed putting together this video. If you liked it as much as we did, give us a like, a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment or your thoughts, comment below. And if you want to be a part of Heartland Rogue and what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe. We've got trail tales, more adventures coming, rig reviews are going to start coming out. We've got even more things that we haven't even talked about, so we're really excited about it. If you want to be a part of it, subscribe so you can get notified. Thanks a lot. Love to have you.